Okay, step by step, possession by possession. Okay? Find our team. But sure, right there. Right there.
Can you explain me how this basket can happen with a guy here helping you? You and Carlos? So what? What are we doing here? Very good, we beat Partizan, very good. Guys, we're fucking walking.
Hemos dicho, queremos jugar mucho más rápido.
You wanna play faster, come on.
¿Dónde está?
Talk about that. Where is it?
¿Dónde está?
Where is it?
Our problem is they score easy. But when test the shot and they score, it's perfect for us.
The key is forget the mistake, learn, and keep going.
Venga, hay que reaccionar, chicos. First, say what you are thinking, your faces. We have to play more aggressive, change the rhythm.
You know, friends, we are playing it without change of pace, the same. No, pass, all the time.
Las caras, your faces, your faces.
Come on.
Your faces.
Concentraros, seguir jugando con energía.